For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. With less than a month left for the film Tube Light to release, Salman Khan and Sohail Khan are working hard on the promotions. And the latest show to have the Khan brothers as guests was Nach Baliye 8. Salman and Sohail were a powerhouse of energy as they mingled with the participants. Indeed, this is one episode which we would never want to miss. Salman and Sohail shook a leg to the radio song and also showed some bhaihood with Nach Meri Jaan. Slated to release on 23rd June, Tube Light features Chinese actress Suzu and also has a cameo role of the King Khan in the film. While we wait for this special episode of Nach Baliye 8, do share your excitement in the comments section. Katrina Kaif is getting all set for the next upcoming thriller with Salman Khan in Tiger Zinda Hai. We did tell you that Salman is getting ready with some high-octane scenes in the flick, but this time it is Kat 2 who would be seen doing some high-action scenes. And boy, aren't we kicked to see her in this all-black outfit with Tiger Zinda Hai written on the back? The team is working hard on making the movie look as action-filled and entertaining as possible. The film, which is a sequel to the Kabir Khan directed Ek Tha Tiger, would have Kat and Salman playing the same roles of raw agents, but the story plot obviously would be different, and we do love the suspense surrounding it. Henna. Also, we sure would like to know what is your opinion about the Chikni Chameli turning into an action Jane. Do let us know. Salman Khan says exactly why Tube Light would not surpass Bahubali 2, and that is because Tube Light is a freakish film and is one of a kind. However, Bahubali 2 was for the masses and had many languages in which it was released. The Hindi cinegoers gathered the maximum with 500 crores. And with the upcoming Salman film starring Chinese actress Suzu and child actor Mateen Ray Tangu, things are not going to be bad for the flick, but surely not in tough competition to a film of the SS Rajamouli fare. For all those who have come in new, let us tell you that Tube Light is the next upcoming Eid Bonanza from Salman Khan and has him in a different role. It has gathered around 130 crores in distribution rights, but would not cross Bahubali 2's collections in any time, as it is a totally different genre film as per Salman. What do you feel? Is Bhai
Salman, hi here. We see a lot of youngsters riding cycle and getting into racing and all on roads. Would there be any piece of advice that you would be giving to them?
That's cycle or motorcycle?
Cycle.
Cycles, okay. I think motorcycles are really dangerous for them as well as for other people around. And I see, because we shoot at Film City, so that highway, I see a lot of these people, racing and very recklessly. And in fact, when they used to have this race at the Reclamation, I have lost a friend of mine there. So I'm against that. Agar race karna to phir jaake, race track pe race karo. Don't bet and, race on the main road and put yourself in danger and one innocent person who's traveling as well.
Salman and Katrina would be celebrating Katrina's birthday on July 16th. Yes, it's that time of the year for IFA Awards, and it's again the time when Katrina and Salman do have time enough to go on a birthday date. So what do you feel would be the best thing to happen right now? Kat and Salman becoming a couple, and boy, won't we love it? The mahal hai, wajah hai, but we ain't sure if the two would go on a birthday date. As Salu said, the whole of USA would be celebrating her birthday, and it should be called Katrina Day. How cute can he get? Anyway, with their Tiger Zinda Hai coming up at the end of the year, Kat need not any longer regret having broken off with Ranbir, for she has the Sultan of Bollywood on her side. On Kya Chahiye? Let us see what happens on her birthday. What do you feel? Well, we are all eagerly awaiting the entry of the tiger and the tigress on the big screen when the film Tiger Zinda Hai releases. But in the meanwhile, the fans of the former flames are in for a special treat as the two post for a special photo shoot for the Splash E 2017 collection. My, Salman looked absolutely hot. Donning a well-fitted formal coat and his signature bracelet on his hand, Katrina, on the other hand, looked stunning as she left her mane flowing loose with a mysterious smile adorning her face. Dressed in black and full, Katrina looked picture perfect without any accessories to distract. Well, that's once more proof that Eid to Salman ki, and so the two looked mesmerizing and ravishing. Katrina shared a picture of the two on Twitter, and since then it has gone viral, leaving fans in a tizzy. So don't the two make an adorable pair? Do let us know what you think about it by commenting in the section below. Former beauty queen Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has recently returned from Cannes, where her looks won her a lot of applause. But while we were wondering what she was planning work-wise or if she has bid adieu to the world of entertainment, the diva made an announcement that though she was on a break for the past 5 months, it was quite crucial for her. And now she is ready to face the camera once more. On being quizzed about her upcoming projects, the diva spilled the beans that apart from a film with talented filmmaker Mani Ratnam, she would also be working with Rakesh Om Prakash on his next venture, Fanney Khan, where she will be sharing screen space with the jackass guy Anil Kapoor. Though we are yet to get an official confirmation, something is definitely cooking and we are glad for it. What about you? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Didn't we tell you that Salman would soon be launching a new e-cycle? Well, this poster says it all. To be launched with a lot of fanfare, obviously, everyone is eagerly waiting for it. The poster shows Salman in a new look and we sure are waiting to know what next. After all, the hula balu of the Being Human brand here is a newbie from the Salman camp. Word has it that people have benefited a lot from the Being Human brand and now it is time for another product in action. Meanwhile, Sallu is busy with his Eid release Tube Light and the year-end release Tiger Zinda Hai. Do let us know what you feel about this poster and how you find this new product in the market.
This is my God. चलो हो गया भाई।
ठोको सीधा। अरे भाई ले आगे ले, बिंदास ले, ले अंदर।
मनोज पीछे, मनोज अपना विनोद।
अरे इसका लाइट देखना यार, जब तक ढकाने मार के जब तक लाइट खराब नहीं कर। ये लाइट किसका है, इतना खराब लाइट? सामने जा रहे थे आगे।
श्री मैम, मेरा आपसे सवाल है। श्री मैम, जल्द ही जानवी भी फिल्मों में आने वाली हैं, तो एज एन एक्टर आप क्या टिप्स देती हैं?
जी, अभी आप जानवी के मॉम के बारे में बात कीजिए ना। जानवी के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे।
श्री मैम, मेरा आपसे सवाल है। श्री मैम, जल्द ही जानवी भी फिल्मों में आने वाली हैं, तो एज एन एक्टर आप क्या टिप्स देती हैं?
जी, अभी आप जानवी के मॉम के बारे में बात कीजिए ना। जानवी के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे। Well, first of all, good evening, everybody. It's good to see you all here after, I think, 4.5 years. Working in MOM was a very beautiful experience for me, and it's really wonderful to work. इस फिल्म में मैं काफ़ी लोगों के साथ पहली बार काम कर रही हूँ, जैसे नवाजुद्दीन जी. It's really, I mean, wonderful to see him on screen. It's really, and he's a gifted actor, and I'm a huge admirer of his work. I have so much respect for him as an actor. Or, of course, Ravi, my director, he brought so much positivity on the sets, and he had such a wonderful vision for Mom. And of course, Boni ji, matlab I'm not saying this because of he's a wonderful producer, and he's like adorable. He goes all out to please everybody. And of course, Akshay Khanna is such a powerful performer. And Adnan ji and Sajal, who's such a stunning and beautiful actor. I'm really missing them here today. And we really enjoyed making Mom, and I hope you all feel the same after watching the movie.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I've had my moment of glory. So now it's over to the media. आप लोग के जो भी सवाल हैं, बस एक गुजारिश है, we'll keep the questions related to the movie and the release date, of course. जी.
Foundation has brought new life in the life of Ayan Khan, who is a young child who underwent a successful dilation of coarctation along with Fortis Foundation. The youngest child of a family who has 4 children, Ayan loves dancing and singing. Seen in the picture is 8-year-old Ayan and his mother. Salman Khan is famous for his continuous service towards mankind and has always won the heart of his fans with his social contribution. Ayan is one such example, and we are sure happy to see the child happy. Henna? As for Bhai, he is getting his fans eager to watch his upcoming Eid release Tubelight. Do let us know what you feel about this unique contribution from Salman Khan's side towards this boy who is really happy to have a great life back.